Hey friends, welcome to Vedyug. I'm your science mentor. And today, and in this part of the video, we will see some remaining concepts from the chapter Life Processes. Till then, in the previous video, we learned about asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. So now, in this part of the video, we will cover certain topics like sexual reproduction and another would be sexual reproduction in plants. So let's get started. First, we will see sexual reproduction. So when female and male gamete, which is egg and sperm, get mixed with each other or gets unified with each other, we get fertilization and meiosis, which get converted into genetic diversity and a zygote is formed. First, we will learn about gamete formation, that how gamete is formed. So meiosis is the process that produces haploid gametes by reducing the chromosomes number by half. In fertilization, haploid gamete fusion get converted into diploid zygote. Later, it get transformed into meiotic division. Then, embryo is formed. After that, we can see genetic variation, which involve diversity, adaptation, and survival. But what would have happened if the male and female gamete had been diploid? Its answer is simple. Diploid gametes would get transformed into zygote with double chromosome count. Then, it will get transferred into imbalanced genetic material, which will result into developmental abnormalities or reproductive failures. Another question I must ask you, or rather, I am curious about this question, that what would have happened if any of the cells in the nature had not been divided by meiosis? So its answer would be, if there is no meiosis, we can see no haploid gametes, which would have reduced genetic diversity's adaptability and reproductive potential. So friends, let us now learn about one of the interesting topic, which is sexual reproduction in plants. You must be wondering that how plants get reproduced sexually. So let us learn in this part of the video. So flower has 4 holes: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx and corolla are accessory holes that protects inner holes. Androecium and gynoecium are essential holes responsible for reproduction. Sepals are green and form the calyx, and petals are colored and form the corolla. You can see various parts of flower in the diagram given below, which includes corolla, stigma, style, ovary. This stigma, style and ovary combine to form gynoecium. Then you must be seeing anther, filament androecium, calyx and pedicel. So talking about bisexuality, both androecium and gynoecium are present in same flower. The example of flower would be hibiscus, जिसे हम मराठी में जासवंत कहते हैं. Then talking about unisexual reproduction, so either androecium or gynoecium is present in the flower. Talking about male flower, only androecium is present. For example, in papaya, there is only androecium which is present in papaya. In female flower, only gynoecium is present. But one interesting term pops up, which is double fertilization. So let us learn about double fertilization in angiosperms. So flowers can be pedicellate with stalk or sessile without stalk. Androecium is the male hole with stamens and gynoecium is the female hole with carpels. Carpels may be separate or united with ovary, style and stigma. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. Then pollen grains germinate on the stigma, forming a pollen tube. Dear friends, you must be seeing the diagram of all these things which I have mentioned, which is given below. Pollen tube carries male gametes to the embryo sac. One male gamete fertilizes egg cell, forming a zygote. So that's why double fertilization, which includes second male gamete plus polar nuclei, which will get transformed into endosperm, which you must be seeing in the diagram given below. Let us learn about seed germination. So seed germination, which includes sow, water and observe changes. Ovule become a seed and the ovary becomes the fruit. Seeds falls, germinate with endosperm and form new plantlets. So dear friends, here we have seen, or I must say till here we have seen sexual reproduction in flowers. So I am pretty sure that the curious question which was in your mind about sexual reproduction in flower and how does it happen got cleared in this part of the video. So in the next video and in next part of this video, we will learn about sexual reproduction in human beings. Till then, I always insist you to go through from all the previous parts of the video so that your foundation will get clear, and if I add some more information to it, it will be easily get stored. So friends, let us meet in the next part of the video. Till then, happy learning.